To help me edit my videos, I am going to use Adobe Premiere Pro. This came free with a video editing card inside the computer. Now I will describe the windows on screen. Here is the project window. In the project window you would import your raw video footage, audio files and JPEGs. Here is the Effects tab where you can find various filters to use on your video and audio files. Here is the monitor window. It is split into two parts. The first part lets you look at clips and control settings for effects. The Clips tab lets you look at your raw footage. The Effects Control tab lets you fine-tune effects which you may apply to any videos in the timeline. The second part lets you look at previews of what your final video will look like. As common with most programs, Premiere has a toolbar. It has various tools to select, cut, ripple, edit, and extend videos in the timeline. The large window along the bottom is known as a timeline. Here you would drag in your raw footage. You would use this to link a sequence of clips to follow your storyboard. I am now going to make a brief tutorial of how I use the chroma key effects function inside Adobe Premiere to create video posts on my blog. First, I will import some raw footage into the application. Next, I will drag the new footage of myself into layer 2 of the timeline. This footage has a green background. The video that will become the background is dragged onto layer 1 on the timeline. A few of these clips are added to make layer 1 and layer 2 videos the same length. Next, I will drag the chroma key filter onto video 2 on the timeline. This will help me to knock out the green background. Now I'll use the color picker tool to select the green background. Bump up the similarity to knock out the rest of the greens. As you can see, once the green is removed, the background video found on layer 1 begins to come through. I will now look at the preview to see what the footage will look like. This one seems to be fine, so I will save this out. To save the video, I use the export function and save as the AVI file onto the desktop. From there, Apple QuickTime is used to compress the file to a format YouTube will understand. Once on YouTube, I will link to my blog. This concludes the tutorial on Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching.